This is the information Decepticon swings. So you can turn this face into another face by yourself like that.
Change the face?
Yeah.
How?
One second.
Wow.
Okay.
Let me see, show me. Show me the new face. Wow.
This one.
Oh.
And this one.
Wow, so many faces.
Yes, so if you have to transform two things. One is a tank, one is a jet plane. So if you have the jet plane, you take this out like that, and you put the slashes like that in the head, and you press it hard. There. Put this down, and this. Put it in like that. The hands, just like that. Okay, and this. You put this in like that, and press together like that.
Wow. Push hard.
Actually, you have to take this out first. And you put it together like that. Okay? And this, you turn the face like that, and put this, all the body put in like that. And this the front, and this. Take it out and put it like that. Okay? And this, you took this out.
Wow. At the legs?
Yes.
Turn his feet.
Like that, and this, put it in the side like that. And this, that first. And then this, and this
Excuse me.
In like that. And this, take it out, this one. The wheels, and put it like that. Okay? Take that, the legs, and this goes up like that.
The legs go up?
Yes, like that.
Oh.
And this,
What does
put
it
it
become?
back in like that. Position like that.
Oh.
This too. Like that.
What is that?
The wheels.
Wow.
Like that, and this. Put
Wow.
This is it.
Is it a tank?
No, this is jet plane.
It's a jet plane.
Okay. And
I
this.
see. Wow.
You take like that, and this to go like that. Like that.
Wow.
And if you want a tank, the tank, and this, put it down first, and you stick the
A jet
chest,
plane can be
the
changed
chest
into
in
a
the
tank.
back, okay? And this, put it down, and put it in again, and this.
Wow. Amazing.
Get the slice, okay? and this. Put it together.
The wings?
No. Yes, the wings in. And then this put in like that.
Wow.
And put the stars like that.
Wow,
and you turn this.
Great.
It's a tank.
I see. Yeah. Wow, amazing.
And you have to put the batteries too. That. Okay.
That's all?
Yes. Bye bye. No. And no. And this, if you press this.
What happened? Ah!
You put the fire. The bullets.
Fire the bullets.
Fire bullet. Actually, it's an ice bullet.
Ah, ice bullet.
If you press.
Oh no!
I will fall together at the same time.
Okay. So that's all?
What's another one?
Here.
Okay. And
that's all?
If you
Is that all?
No. If you see this, the X, and you have to do the same to press like that.
Hey, the video is too long.
Bye.
Bye bye.